What if a single machine could conquer impossible terrains, carry tanks, or build roads in minutes? These extraordinary vehicles redefine engineering limits and surprise with secret transformations. TatraForce. The TatraForce trucks have been upgraded with a redesigned cab that's now positioned lower, while their off-road capabilities remain outstanding. These trucks were already impressive, but the new TatraForce handles rough terrain like a pro. It can even ford water up to 1.5 meters deep. Available in configurations up to 16 by 12, the Force 1R 8x8 model carries a payload of up to 24,700 kilograms. It's versatile too, capable of transforming into an engineering vehicle or a mobile missile system if required. And it's not just strong, it's fast. The Force 1R can hit speeds of up to 105 kilometers per hour, making it a truly remarkable machine. What are your thoughts on the TatraForce's capabilities? Let us know in the comments below. MaxxKT 7930. The MaxxKT 7930 family is built to excel in harsh conditions. As shown in the video, it tackles steep sandy slopes, 35-centimeter obstacles, muddy terrain, and even 2-meter-wide trenches with ease. It doesn't stop there. The MaxxKT 7930 crosses a 1.8-meter deep ford without breaking a sweat. Its suspension allows for up to 26 centimeters of travel, adding to its adaptability. The truck also boasts a range of 1,000 kilometers on a single tank, and can reach 70 kilometers per hour on roads, proving it's both reliable and durable. What do you think about the MaxxKT 7930's rugged performance? Share your opinions in the comments. Rheinmetall HX10X10. The Rheinmetall HX military trucks are a favorite worldwide, used in countries like the UK and New Zealand, with over 10,000 units in service. Their popularity lies in their versatility. Available in 4x4 to 10x10 configurations, these trucks perform a variety of roles, including refueling, recovery, or even as weapon platforms. Off-road, they're equally impressive, handling water up to 1.5 meters deep without preparation. Thanks to their hydropneumatic suspension, 1.3-meter diameter tires, and engines offering up to 680 horsepower, obstacles feel like minor bumps. These trucks dominate challenging terrain effortlessly. Do you agree that the Rheinmetall HX is a standout performer? Tell us in the comments. CNIM PFM. The CNIM PFM bridges are critical for evacuating civilians during natural disasters. They're also strong enough to support heavy tanks like the Leopard 2A7 and Challenger 2. Bridge sections come in lengths of 6.75 or 10 meters and can reach crossing points even on rough terrain with steep slopes and sharp turns. Watch how the PFM in its 8x8 configuration tackles these routes while staying perfectly on schedule. The PFM's off-road abilities are equally impressive during setup. A special tactical ramp allows vehicles to cross banks up to 3 meters high without preparation. Additionally, it features floating sections for vehicles with low ground clearance, ensuring seamless operations. What's your take on the versatility of the CNIM PFM bridges? Drop your comments below. Rheinmetall Fuchs Evolution. Rheinmetall has brought us yet another innovation, the Fuchs Evolution, a modernized version of their popular infantry fighting vehicle. The original Fuchs, used by the German army and several other nations, was already a success, but Rheinmetall engineers designed the new version with future needs in mind. The name Fuchs means fox in German. And just like the animal, this vehicle is fast and versatile. It can reach 100 kilometers per hour on land, twice the speed of a fox, and travel 10 kilometers per hour in water, making it an excellent swimmer. It can also tackle trenches up to 1.2 meters wide, allowing it to navigate tough terrains with ease. The Fuchs Evolution can transport up to 10 passengers quickly and safely, even over challenging routes. Moreover, its modular design makes it adaptable for various roles, including use as an ambulance, EW vehicle, or command and control center, ensuring maximum flexibility for military operations. Does the Fuchs Evolution meet your expectations? Share your insights in the comments. DT-30 PM. The DT-30 PM is an amphibious tracked vehicle built for extreme conditions. Whether it's rough roads, salt marshes, swamps, or water, the DT-30 PM can handle it all. And yes, it swims too. It's a true workhorse with a maximum speed of 45 kilometers per hour on roads and 5 kilometers per hour in water. The articulated design allows it to carry up to 30 tons of cargo, making it indispensable for reaching remote areas. It can even cross a 4.5-meter-wide ditch, a feat few vehicles can manage. Powered by an 800-horsepower engine, the DT-30 PM can conquer terrains that would stop most other vehicles in their tracks, ensuring reliable performance in the harshest environments. What do you think of the DT-30 PM's extreme capabilities? Let us know in the comments below. Ripsaw M5. The Ripsaw M5, developed by Techron Systems, is the 5th generation of their autonomous tank, and it's packed with cutting-edge features. Designed with an open architecture and AI capabilities, it also comes equipped with 2 drones, one for the ground and one for the air, for enhanced operational flexibility. At less than 6 meters long, the M5 is perfect for scouting missions, allowing it to hide in forests and emerge from unexpected locations. It's equipped with advanced sensors for a 360-degree view, enabling it to identify and track targets effectively. Despite its compact size, the M5 can carry up to 3,629 kilograms of cargo and reach speeds of 40 kilometers per hour. Its primary weapon, the 30mm Mark 44 Bushmaster automatic cannon, ensures it's as deadly as it is versatile. Do you think the Ripsaw M5 is the future of autonomous tanks? Let us know in the comments. Patria 6X6. The Patria 6X6 Armored Personnel Carrier, APC, lives by its creator's motto, focus on essentials. Drawing from their experience in conflict zones like Afghanistan and Yemen, the designers crafted a modular, versatile vehicle capable of tackling diverse military challenges. The Patria 6X6 can carry up to 10 passengers, but its modular design allows it to transform into various roles, including command, medical, or other specialized vehicles. Its flexible armament can range from machine guns to 120mm mortar systems, giving it the firepower to match its versatility. Designed for tough terrain, fords water up to 1.5 meters deep and utilizes a 7+2 automatic transmission to power through challenging off-road conditions. It can swim at 8 kilometers per hour and travel on land at speeds over 100 kilometers per hour, making it a reliable choice for both mobility and protection. Do you think the Patria 6X6 delivers on its promise of versatility? Share your opinions below. Polaris Sportsman MV850. Did you know that Polaris also makes military-grade ATVs? The Polaris Sportsman MV850 is one of their most successful models, used by militaries in the United States, Germany, Latvia, and beyond. Built for rugged off-road use, the MV850 can cross water up to 61 centimeters deep, It features an advanced suspension system with 229 millimeters of travel in the front and 260 millimeters in the back, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Its terrain-armored tires don't require air and can keep going for 1,609 kilometers, even after being hit by AK-47 fire. Full underbody protection, a front bumper with a winch, and the ADC system for stable descents make it a dependable vehicle for extreme situations. What are your thoughts on the Polaris Sportsman MV850's toughness? Share in the comments. Sprute SDM-1. The Sprute SDM-1 is a light tank that combines firepower, mobility, and versatility. It's armed with a 125mm cannon, providing the same level of firepower as the T-90, but with added mobility and adaptability. This tank excels on water, swimming at 10 km per hour, firing while afloat, and operating in force 3 sea states without issue. On land, its adjustable ground clearance allows it to traverse swampy or snowy terrain, making it equally capable off-road. With a top speed of 70 km per hour and the ability to hit targets up to 5 km away, the Sprute SDM-1 is a highly effective combat vehicle, offering flexibility for modern military operations. What do you think about the Sprute SDM-1's unique combination of firepower and mobility? Let us know in the comments. ND Defense MaxxPro. The MaxxPro armored vehicles are built for off-road excellence and come in multiple versions including tow trucks and ambulances. Known for their survivability, the makers proudly claim these are some of the most protected wheeled vehicles in the world. The Dash version offers customers a choice between 375 horsepower or 450 horsepower engines. It accommodates 4 passengers and a gunner, with a fully independent suspension that tackles rocky slopes, muddy terrain, and water up to 1 meter deep with ease. To enhance safety, the MaxxPro features advanced mine and IED protection, making it a reliable choice for challenging environments. Do you think the MaxxPro lives up to its reputation as one of the safest vehicles? Share your thoughts in the comments. Marine Assault Vehicle, MAV. The Marine Assault Vehicle, or MAV, is an amphibious powerhouse, capable of swimming at 13 km per hour and reaching 70 km per hour on land. This versatile vehicle can transport 21 people, including a commander, gunner, and driver. Its off-road capabilities are impressive, overcoming 0.9-meter-high obstacles and 2-meter-wide ditches with ease. When engaged in combat, the MAV relies on a remote-controlled turret equipped with a 12.7mm machine gun and a 40mm grenade launcher. Designed for adaptability, the MAV can also be converted into engineering, command, or other specialized configurations to meet diverse operational needs. What do you think of the Marine Assault Vehicle's versatility? Let us know in the comments. SAIC Daguerre ISV. The SAIC Daguerre ISV is how SAIC and Polaris envision the ideal infantry squad vehicle. This isn't a product from the Chinese automaker but a collaboration between an American company and the US government. Designed for payload capacity and off-road mobility, the Daguerre ISV remains lightweight enough for air transport, including by UH-60 Black Hawk helicopters. The A1 model integrates the off-road capabilities of smaller Polaris MRZR buggies into a larger, more capable vehicle. The Daguerre A1 carries up to 9 passengers and can handle a payload of 1,814 kilograms, with a range of 805 kilometers. Its exceptional suspension allows it to handle rugged terrain and even big jumps, making it perfect for action-packed military operations. Do you think the Daguerre SV is the ultimate infantry squad vehicle? Share your opinions below. Cottonmouth. The Cottonmouth was designed specifically for the United States Marine Corps. Even in its prototype stage, it demonstrated impressive capabilities, earning its nickname as a machine to be feared. Primarily built for reconnaissance, the Cottonmouth can also carry FGM-148 Javelin anti-tank missiles, in addition to its 12.7mm machine gun. This makes it a versatile and well-armed vehicle for modern military operations. It can reach speeds of 9 km per hour in water, and up to 105 km per hour on land, while providing space for 2 crew members and 5 passengers. Additionally, it boasts extensive electronic warfare capabilities, ensuring it's ready for modern combat scenarios. What do you think of the Cottonmouth's reconnaissance and combat features? Share your opinions below. And there you have it. some of the most remarkable military and utility vehicles, each showcasing unparalleled engineering, versatility, and cutting-edge technology. From the amphibious capabilities of the DT-30PM to the autonomous innovation of the Ripsaw M5, these machines redefine what's possible in the realms of mobility, strength, and adaptability. Whether it's conquering extreme environments, supporting critical missions, or leading advancements in autonomy, these vehicles highlight the ingenuity driving modern engineering. Which one stood out to you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible stories of innovation and technology.